Hi everyone, I'm so excited to be releasing this video. As many of you know, we, Anna and Elena, a mother and daughter duo, we design a new digital kit for you guys every month, and we absolutely love it. For this month, we really wanted to come up with a kit that gets you excited for the warmer days ahead. Don't get me wrong, we love winter. We were just ready for some warmth in our crafting. So we are introducing to you guys Sunshine Soul. Here it is. This kit was an absolute blast to design, and the colors just work together. It was one of those effortless kits. I'm really excited to introduce to you guys and talk to you about all of the pages and how you can get the kit. Okay, and if you are wanting this kit, you can get it in one of two ways. Number one, you can subscribe anytime during this month. This is our most affordable option, really big money saver. That's what a lot of our lovely community does. And then the second way is you can purchase just the kit with no subscription on Etsy. You just search Pink Monarch Prints. The sites are there, but if you need to, everything is linked in the description of this video. And finally, a few other fun things. We're not going to leave you high and dry with no idea what to do with your kit. Some of the other fun things we offer are lots of tutorials using the items from the kit. We have a Facebook group where the community can post and questions can get answered, and lots of other ideas on our other social media platforms. We have another Facebook account, Instagram, and Pinterest. And again, all of those things are linked in the description of this video. And now that all that important information is out of the way, we're going to dive into the kit and really talk about what is included. These papers work effortlessly together. I absolutely love how cohesive they are, and I'm so excited to see what journal I can create. Our main focus for designing papers was to create some neutrals as well as some pages that the main color isn't like a cream or a white. So some really colorful and solid papers for you guys to use so you can get a lot of color in there, and it's going to be great. Another fun thing we like to add into our kits are these little mini projects, and the mini projects are just like 4 or 5 papers that can be used to create a beautiful folio or mini project of some sort. Again, the tutorial is included, and here are the pages used to make that mini folio. So yes, very cute. Next up, we're going to look at the tags and ephemera included in this kit. Now, I'm normally a really big fan of tags, but ephemera I end up not using as much. But in this kit, I already know I'm going to use every single piece of these tags and the ephemera. This ephemera is just absolutely gorgeous. I don't know, it's going to look so cute in a journal. There's also a really fun selection of envelopes in this month's kit. We have these stuffed envelopes, and they're a little bit larger, and you can add the tags and ephemera onto the outside or inside, or even use the pieces in other projects. And then again, some medium-sized envelopes. Next, I wasn't really sure what to call this little selection of items here, but I do know that I'm really excited to add them into my junk journal. This first page is really unique. You can see all these little collage elements, and it's so that you can make loaded belly bands. Then there are just 2 pages of file folders with the left, right, and middle, also with these little cards that can go on the inside or outside. Next, I want to show you a fun part of the kit. We always like to include these double pages and an optional journal cover. That's the journal cover. And then some pages that you can kind of use in any journal that you have. We just come up with some simple ones, but of course you can make more. One thing that this kit does have quite a lot of that I'm so excited about is a huge variety of pockets. First, we have our loaded library pockets that come with some layering elements and cards and little numbers. It's going to be fun. Then just some classic pockets for you guys. And these ones are slanted pockets that are like fold up versions. And then just some more easy, basic, stackable pockets for you guys. And finally, the last thing that we're going to go over are the little tidbits, the fussy cuts, the small things. The things that are kind of a pain to cut out, but make all the difference with your junk journaling. I love them. I think it is absolutely worth it to take the time and cut these out. We have some words, number tidbits, fussy cuts, and some small little number labels that I'm so excited. They're going to be so cute. And that wraps up the preview of the Sunshine Soul Kit. You guys, this is going to be such a great month. I'm so excited to start adding some florals back into my junk journaling, and I hope you guys are too. If you guys want the kit, everything is linked in the description of this video. and we will see you guys for the rest of our little tutorials and projects. Have a lovely day, and we'll see ya. Bye!